to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable and use multiple clipboard history in Windows 11. Before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to enable the clipboard history. For that, you have to open Windows setting, click Windows plus I key, click on System, and you have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here clipboard. Click on this. Here you can see clipboard history. Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows key plus V to view clipboard history and paste from it. You have to enable this one. Now it is enabled. Minimize this one and open any of the document. First I will copy YouTube. Second I will copy the Google Chrome. And third I will copy the Facebook. You can copy multiple words. Now you have to open the clipboard history. For that, click Windows plus V key. Here you can see clipboard history has been opened. For example, I will select the Google Chrome. Here you can see Google Chrome has been pasted from the clipboard history. If you want to paste the YouTube from clipboard history, then press Windows plus V key. Here you can see YouTube, already it has been copied. Click on this and see YouTube has been pasted from the clipboard history. So in this way you can enable and use multiple clipboard history in Windows 11. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.